wish the song to sound as sweet as tunes I hear on summer's heat. In an old town beside the stream, where shadows drifted like a dream. The house was dark, the street was still, the dusk rose softly, skyward fill. With golden light, a tender hue, that kissed the walls I'd gaze into. A boy would pipe a melody that trembled right as cherries speed. When springtime winds stir leaves anew, and wander forests bathed in dew. Like fledgling birds that know not why, the joy is found in evening sky. And weary men with fears near done would hear his tune, their thoughts would run. So must my song resound tonight, for there is one whose gaze might light my words with more than fleeting cheer. Her hands are arms, her presence near. A dome of blinding, gentle glow enfolds my face, a stream to flow. My voice ignites a yellow flame, like gaslight trapped in fragile frame. An oaken trunk begins to sprout, its tender leaves they reach about. Hear now a sound of youth breaks through, a leader calls both proud and true. In blue and gold he stands, commands, a herald loud across the land.